It's a high intensity situation. It's high stress, you're not going to be comfortable, and I think that's what forces you to learn and think on your feet. So to have that opportunity is incredible as a student, as an undergraduate especially. I absolutely love doing these training programs because it gives students the opportunity to get hands-on real-world experience without actually having the pressure of being on site in an emergency for the first time. So we're in Oriskany, New York, doing a full simulation exercise for students responding to a disaster. They're going to go through different lanes such as the incident command post, water rescue. They're going to be doing search and rescue in the wilderness and various other lanes to practice their skills.
It's definitely a whole new ball game. You have that element of book work, but you also have the 100 training hours, the required internship. So they really do get you out into the real world, trying to figure this stuff out. And I think this discipline is becoming increasingly relevant in today's world. So,
you know, it's reassuring because the basic foundation of everything that they teach us is communication, working with people, working with superiors, working with subordinates, just working with people in general. And I think that it's so relieving and reassuring because we're working with people that, you know, understand what we're trying to learn and with other people who don't have the knowledge. So all of us coming together and trying to, you know, balance it out and figure out how things go and makes it as smooth as possible. It's been really rewarding and it's just been a great way to get your feet wet, quite literally.
Getting my adrenaline pumping, you know, because when I was standing outside of the water, like my heart was just like beating out of my chest, jumping in, and then I jumped in and I was like, this is amazing. But Homeland Security, there's just always something every day, which is like the sad part of it, but it's also good for me that I'll have something to fight against. I'm in high demand. Homeland Security is in high demand.